Sorry. Hey, you're out! Where you see him?
I got the left. There's one right here in front of our... Hey, you're right! Shut up!
Hey, Charlie, I'm gonna go that way. Hey, we got some in the house.
Who's ready? Who's coming by?
Yeah, I think they're on the fucking left side. Hey, Charlie. Charlie. Hey, push up to those crates right there. I'll call and fire you. Push up to the crates right there. There's nobody here. Push up to those crates. Push up to those crates. You ready? Go. Hey! You see him? All the way behind the bus.
Yep. I'm going to the middle. Where?
He's in the fucking building. He's in the building in the middle. Hey, push up! Hey, Rev, move out the way! Hey, Charlie! He's going on your side. I got you on the left side.
I see somebody.
He's in the house, Hey, we got a guy right here. Hey, Charlie, look at me through the window. Charlie.
Yeah.
Hey, right here, you see a guy right here? You see him?
No.
He's shooting right at me. You see him? He's on my left side right here. Charlie! He's fucking hitting me right now. He's right here on this side. You can get a good view. I'm telling you, he's shooting that at me. Oh, Charlie, you motherfucker right here. He's right in the fucking building, on the left building. Try to shoot at me from over here. Chow. Come over here and you're gonna see and watch. You fucking pussy. Charlie, cover fire. Fuck this, man. You fucking pussy. Hey, there's a guy in the left building. No. To your left, yeah. Hey, Charlie, right here, Charlie. Right here. You see him? Right there. No?
I see him.
Not too bad. Chow. You see him, right? Stand in that corner. Yo! Yo! Is that it? Hey, push up! Friendly, pussy ass, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Hey. In the big house.
Rush!
Yo! It's good!
Here, can you say this?
Woo!
Who's this?
That was some good shit.
The enemy's right beside you.
You pussy, you shot me right in the face. Yeah, it's this one.
Huh?
This one.
Oh.
I got like 5 niggas up to this one.